Hello friends, in the last video we have done control structures. There are three kinds of control structures: if, elif, else, for loop and while loop. But we have done if, elif and else, and today we are going to do for loop and while loop. Loops are used when code is repeated multiple times. Counter will be incremented every time automatically in for loop. Like I will use I, so you can use any alphabet at the place of I, like A, B, C, D. For example, we want to draw 10 circles with different radius like 100, 101, and 102, and so on. Instead of writing code 10 times, we can use for loop. While loop is run until a defined condition is met. So now I will show you how to make for loop and while loop. So I will go to Python, then go to new file and write the command for loop. Import turtle t equal to turtle. Remember that we have to always keep p capital in pen. T dot t equal to turtle dot pen. Now for I in range. So I want to make 10 circles of range 100 of radius 100 to 110. So I will tell the radius 100 to 110. I will put colon, then enter. Now I will select the color. T dot color. Now my favorite color is blue, so I will choose blue. Blue. You can take any color. So now I will make circle. T dot circle. And in the last classes we have written 50 or 60. We have written radius in this parenthesis. But today we will write I. I have taken the alphabet I in range, so I will write I. If you have taken A, so you can write A. And if you have taken B, you can write B. Anything you can write here. Then I will run it. Run module. Okay. Then now I will save by name of for loop. See, now it is making circle 10 times. Now I will see it will make circle 10 times, or it will did not stop. It will not stop. See, now it is stopped and it has made 10 circles. So now I will tell you about while loop. So in while loop, so I will not erase it. At the place you have to write here 1. Then I will erase this and I would write while I less than 110. Then I have to write here I equal to 100. I have to tell I is equal to 100. And if it is less than 110, so it should make the circle. But if it is 110 or greater than it, so it should stop the circle. Now see, for making circle it will do. First it will make, for making a circle it will see it is less than 110. If it is true, it is less than 110, so it will increase one radius because I have given here 1. I equal to I plus 1. So if I is I in I plus 1, so if you can write here 2, 3, but I have written 1. So it will increase the radius 1. So it will come and decrease radius by 1. Then it will be 101. Now it will see one more time that it is less than 110. Yes, it is less than 110. So it will increase one more radius. Then if when it will be 110, so it will now see it is less than 110. No, it's false. So it will stop making circle. It is equal to 110. So see, now I will check it is a running or not. See, it is working, but now I will see it will stop or not. See, it is making 10 circles. Yes, now it has made 10 circles, and after making 10 circles it has stopped. So today in today's class we have done while loop and for loop, and I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.